Welcome all. In this talk, I will briefly describe research in our lab that led to the documentation of the accelerousal phenomenon. This is a condition where certain drivers appear to consistently over-aroused during commonplace acceleration events. It is the first time this stealthy condition is reported in the literature. As you will see, accelerousal bears both health and design implications. The aim of our study was to find any underlying grouping in the way motion variables arouse responses in drivers. To address this question, we asked participants to drive a Toyota Sienna along a 19-kilometer itinerary in College Station, Texas. The trip was lasting 25 to 35 minutes and was always taking place in daytime with good weather and in light traffic conditions. 12 young but experienced drivers were enrolled in the study and 11 of them completed it successfully. Arousal was tracked through the quantification of facial electrodermal activity, which is a thermal imaging measurement. Recorded driving variables included acceleration, speed, brake force, and steering angle. 5 out of the 11 drivers exhibited over-arousal in every little acceleration event during the itinerary. A case in point is subject 7. In this first video clip, you see a strong arousal response from her as she starts from a red light. This is the arousal curve and this is her baseline. In contradistinction, 6 out of the 11 drivers did not exhibit over-arousal in commonplace acceleration events. A case in point is participant S1. In this second video clip, you see the lack of an arousal response as he starts from a red light. This is his arousal signal and is at or below the baseline, which is here. Applying hierarchical clustering revealed 2 underlying groups. In the first group, bouts of acceleration highly correlated with the onset of strong arousals. These are the red labeled subjects in this table. In the second group, bouts of acceleration did not correlate with the onset of arousals, and these are the cyan labeled groups of subjects in this table. Psychometric measurements taken at the end of the rides indicated that acceleroused drivers felt more loaded than non-acceleroused drivers. This is an indication that accelerousal is taking a toll on drivers. To sum up, acceleration and the related variable of speed spur consistent over-arousal to some drivers. In our sample, acceleroused drivers exhibited nearly 50% stronger arousals compared to drivers who were not acceleroused. Please note that events causing accelerousal are commonplace. For example, stop and go in traffic lights. Hence, the frequently repeated nature of accelerousal is likely to have long-term health effects, much like any other long-term stressor. In this respect, certain professions, such as delivery drivers, may need to measure and manage accelerousal, much like pilots manage radiation exposure. Furthermore, semi-autonomous vehicles should avoid handing over control to drivers during accelerousal conditions when they appear most vulnerable. Thank you.